Now, something like this you could bundle together and actually create a trio of 3 different styles, take a picture and create a listing. So that's going to cost you $1.25 times 3, so $3.75 plus tax. That's going to be the size of the package. You're going to do something maybe like glue them 3 together. You're going to put the brands forward and you have a trio. And you take photos of each one, and then your listing now is 36 times 3, so however much of that is 90, 102, 108 cups. And now you're probably able to list that for anywhere for between $15 and $20. So there's one set. Then you could come and buy multiple sets of the same assortment. Okay, you've bundled the same thing 3 times. You do have other